So today you're going to be looking at doing this awesome makeup look. Yep. Keep watching if you want to find out how to be a snow queen. I went ahead and primed my face with some eyeshadow primer. Where did it go? I think I already put it up. By NYX. And I use L'Oreal True Match Foundation. Or the foundation, obviously. Duh. And I just use this little cute sponge I got off a Wish. It's so cute. It's like a little teardrop. But it's pink. Awesome. NYC's Automatic Eyeliner Pencil. NYC, that's the color of it. For the main eyeshadow color, which I guess I should have put on before this, but I don't think this thing's through. This is Claire's. I'm going to be going with this color right here, the middle blue. And for a shine over it, I'm going to be doing this top blue right here. And for the lines, which I shouldn't even bothered with the mascara or eyeliner at all, honestly, I'm going to take this dark blue down here. Back over it again with that middle first blue. Now then for our waterline, I'm going to be using, I think this is LA Colors. I don't see any name on it anymore. It's so old, guys. This is terribly. And I'm going to be using LA Colors Graphics eyeliner. It's like a liquid eyeliner pencil thingy, but it's silver. See the silverness? color. It's like a super dark color. On the inside, to make it lighter red, I'm using the Julep Lady in Red color. That's it. I'm going to first take this and kind of rub some off right there. Okay. Okay, last but not least, we're going to use glitter dust as blush. Okay, I lied, that's not the last one. I forgot I had this too. It's like a gray color, but I'm going to add a little bit onto the eyes. The lips make them sparkly too. LA Colors Glitter Gloss. All over the ground, I was inspired to do a snow queen look. It is such a beautiful wonderland out there right now. Even trying to drive in it, it's still beautiful. The roads are not terribly bad yet, so that's awesome. So that was the look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And yeah. This wig I've only worn for one other video. That is it. I like it, but I don't like it at the same time. Like, this poofiness is perfect for a crown. This is Gothic Lolita Wigs Hime wig for, obviously, princess. It's gorgeous. I love it, but I don't wear it often. Yeah. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you'd like to see all the future episodes, hit the subscribe button down below and join my tea party.
To-do! Blooper time!
Oh, my camera just moved. I cannot wait till my new tripod comes in. I'm so excited for it. So excited. Maybelline Smoky Eye Master is the blue. Oh my god, this did not work. Okay. That was a bad idea. The thing just fell apart on me.